Ever wondered how movement can turn into electricity? Let's do a quick experiment to find out. All you need is a coil of wire, a strong magnet, and a small LED light or a voltmeter. First, connect the two ends of your wire coil to the LED. Make sure the connection is solid. Now, nothing's happening, right? The light is off. Here comes the magic part. Take your magnet and start moving it in and out of the center of the coil. Watch the LED. It flickers. The faster you move the magnet, the brighter the light gets. So what's going on? Moving the magnet through the coil creates a changing magnetic field which pushes the electrons in the wire to move. This flow of electrons is what we call an electric current. You've just converted the kinetic energy of your moving hand into electrical energy. It's the same basic principle behind how massive power plants generate electricity for our homes. Pretty cool, right? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more science fun.